Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is ScarlyRey. I'm a professional makeup artist based in New York City. I specialize in bridal glams, soft glams, and makeup education. I've been working in the beauty industry for over 6 years now, and one thing I've always believed in is to never stop learning. Today I'm excited to be partnering with the Online Makeup Academy to share my first impression of their Elite Career Path program. I'm so excited. Before we get started, I want to let you know that the Online Makeup Academy provided me with a complimentary access to the Elite Career Path program for the purpose of this collaboration. As always, every opinion I'm sharing with you guys is my own, and I'm excited to take you along as I take this course. So keep watching so I can let you guys know my honest opinions about it and what I think. So when the Online Makeup Academy reached out, I was immediately interested in the course because beauty education has always been important to me. Even after like all these years of being a makeup artist, I feel like I never stopped learning. The beauty industry is constantly changing, trends are evolving, new things are always appearing, new trends, new everything. And I think continuing my education is one of the best things that I have decided on. It's one of the best investments you can make. Another reason why I accepted the collaboration is because I'm always looking for a way to grow, not only as a makeup artist but also as a educator and business owner. I wanted to experience the program firsthand so I can share my honest thoughts with you guys. So one thing I noticed about the course is how organized it is. When I logged into my dashboard, everything is super easy to navigate. The program is also very comprehensive. It isn't just about teaching makeup application. It also includes topics that help you build your beauty career. Some of the models that I was the most excited to kind of learn from and gain more experience about were the advanced makeup techniques. I listed them here just in case you see me looking on this side. So they were the advanced makeup techniques, the editorial and creative makeup, the bridal artistry, color theory, skin prep, business and marketing, client communication, branding, and maximizing your income as a makeup artist, which is super important. I love that the makeup includes both artistry and business education because I truly believe both are essential if you want to build a long-term career in the beauty industry. Although I have just started the program, the lessons are super easy to follow, professionally filmed, and very well organized. As well, they have demos, so it's really good for us that learn visual learners. It's so helpful. Also, I think one of the best things is that you have a lifetime kind of access to these classes, so you can go into your dashboard and go back if you need to kind of have a refresher or something, if you forget something, or if you want to just revisit one of those lessons. You have access to them forever. As I continue throughout the course, I'm super excited to apply what I have been learning to my bridal clients, my makeup lessons, and my work as a content creator. I believe this program would be perfect for beginners looking to kind of structure their beauty education, freelance makeup artists that want to improve their makeup skills, artists that are interested in bridal or editorial makeup, anyone that's looking to also earn a certificate, and makeup artists who are looking to strengthen their skills. Even as someone that has been working in the beauty industry for so long, I believe continuing your education helps you stay inspired and to continue to grow. If you're interested in learning more about the Online Makeup Academy, I'll leave all that information in the description below. You can also use my discount code, which is also linked below, to receive $100 off your enrollment. Sounds good to me. Overall, I'm super excited to continue my journey in this program, and this is just the beginning of this path. As I complete more lessons, I would love to come back and share with you guys what I'm learning, kind of my experience, anything. If you guys have also any questions regarding the program, feel free to reach out, and I would gladly tell you guys anything you want to know. And tell you my honest opinion. But I really think this is a great investment, like I said, for anyone that's looking to strengthen their skills, their knowledge. Even if you are a beginner, I feel like it's very important for you to have those like fundamental core things that you need to know about makeup and beauty for you to grow in the beauty business. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like, and subscribe if you haven't. And let me know in the comments if you've taken any makeup courses, what have you taken from it, or if you're interested in this online makeup school that offers a variety of different programs and this great opportunity for a lot of you that, a lot of times it's not as easy for you to just take an online course that's in person. This course gives you the flexibility to be able to learn and build right from the comfort of your home. So with that being said, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.